My name is Tim Vibbert. I'm the plant manager here at AP3, our dishwasher manufacturing site.
Hey, now, how you doing? All right.
I was in the Army and was, looking at a transition, and it's been a really good 19 years ever since. This is our dishwasher super site. This is really where we make the vast majority of dishwashers that we sell under the GE Appliances house of brands. Thousands and thousands and thousands of dishwashers every day. We've expanded tremendously. We've had actually over $450 million of investment in AP3. We've doubled the capacity of the plant really since 2016.
You can just hear it. Sounds great.
We've got 15,500 people that work in GE Appliances, but really, if you include our suppliers that support us, there's 90,000 more jobs. We've been here for 70 years. These plants were built in the early 1950s. So we have had generations of people making appliances. That's kind of in our DNA. Built for America means we are designing them, we're sourcing them, we're building them, we're distributing them right here for America.